Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In today's video, we are going to be talking about locking projects. So from the dashboard, let's start a new project. And you'll notice that right now it is an unsaved project. So I'm going to add a layer just for fun. I'm going to call this 2023 Boston loans. All right, so I'm adding a layer for total purchase loans 2023 by census tract for the Boston MSA. Clicking save. Now the platform is retrieving the layer. From here, I'm going to save the project. So I click on save, and now I'm going to call this locked project example. And I'm going to make sure to check the lock project checkbox. And I'm going to save it in my maps and click save. Okay, so now if I were to start fresh and go to my dashboard again, and now I can go to folders, and now I can find the map that I just saved, which is right here, lock project example. And you'll notice that if I bring it up and retrieve the information, it's going to load. And once the information is loaded, if I click on save, then it tells me that I need to save it as another name, because if I were to save it under the same name, okay. So you'll notice that once it loads, it asks me to save rather than save as. And so if I were to say, hey, I want this lock project and I'm going to save over it, it's going to give me an error saying, hey, there's already a project with that name, so pick something else. Okay, or I could also save the same project, but if it's unlocked. So whether it's locked or unlocked, the platform sees it as two separate projects, just so you know. So now, again, if I said, hey, let's save this locked project, it's going to give me the error. So now I know that, hey, example version 2, I could save it as and then make changes as I wanted to. And you'll notice that then the save as is back on top to the right. So the whole idea of locking projects is if you make a map that you don't want anyone else in your organization to alter, you would lock it, and you also have the option, if I go back to my projects, so you see the locked project example that we just saved earlier, I could go to the dots here, click on the dots, and click unlock, and I could unlock it from there as well. But again, I have to be the creator in order to unlock the project. I can't be someone else, another user, to go to a locked project and try to unlock it. That won't work. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.